Let's make the Kraken's bloody limb. We are going to make this drink in the glass, and it's a Collins glass. We're going to start with the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. And because of these little loops in the bottle, I still don't know where to put my hands, or my fingers really. Next, 1/2 ounce or 15 milliliters of sweet vermouth. 1/2 ounce of cherry liqueur, and the recipe does specify Heering. If you can't find Heering, try another one, and if it turns out, let me know. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. 1/4 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/4 ounce is 7.5 milliliters. Lime juice, lemon juice, lemon juice. Make sure I said lemon juice. Now using one of my handy hands, I'm going to give this a quick stir. I'm going to add some ice, and I'm going to top it off with blood orange soda. Finally, the garnish, and the garnish is a blood orange wheel. And I get big citrus, what can I say? I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. So I'm going to put that in the glass, and this one cracked a little bit, so it's going to go all the way down. I'm going to put it in the glass, see if that works. Yeah, that'll do. Add a straw. And there you have it, the bloody limb from the Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits.